Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oneida County, northwestern Otsego County, southeastern Madison County, until 6 p.m. 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pecksport, or over Hamilton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $half-size hail. Radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Augusta, Madison, and Flowville around 5:15 p.m. Waterville around 5:25 p.m. Around 5:30 p.m.
Sorry for the cutting out.
Water, Clayville, and Louisville Forks around 5:35 p.m. West Woodfield around 5:50 p.m. Take it now. Move to a basement or an interior on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.